Therefore, I welcome the advocacy and expressions of the Nurses Association of Jamaica, the Jamaica Midwives Association, the Enrolled Nurses Association, all health professionals, and others who participated in the walk against violence towards women and girls. I know the House will join me in expressing solidarity with the victims and their families, with their friends and the communities, and also in condemning, in the strongest sense, the despicable violence committed against them. Can you imagine a 9-year-old being raped and then strangled to death? Violence against women and girls takes many forms, including homicide, rape, or acts causing or tending to cause danger to life or bodily harm, domestic violence, sexual harassment, and abuse of children.